Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Salesforce certification voucher for free. Now, before we begin, you need to know that there are several ways that you can actually get this voucher. The first one is simply complete some quests. You just have to go to trailheadsalesforce.com and log it into your account. And once you log in, you will have to click on explore quests right here. After that, when you scroll down, you will find here many quests. Let's say that I will choose any one of them. When you choose any one of them, it will show here on the top left corner how many points you will get and how can you actually do this task and when it should be ended. And you need to know that these quests change by time, so every month they will change these quests, and you just have to scroll down till you find which quest or which task of them will give you the voucher, or you can simply go to the admin quest, and this quest will give you 9,200 points, and you will find in one of its tasks a certification voucher for free. Another method to get this voucher is to simply try to participate in events, and this will also give you the chance to get this certification voucher for free. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.